Hey guys, it's Savannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I figured I would make a video on my basic makeup routine in the winter because it's a little bit different when it's like nicer out. In the winter I have drier skin. I do a little bit of a different routine, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. If you found me from my main channel, great. Hit the subscribe button because I just started this channel. I'm going to be uploading more makeup videos, hair videos, things like that. And if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. And yeah, we'll get right into it. Alright, so my skin is already moisturized and I'm going to prime it with the Unique Touch Glorious Face Primer. So this stuff is like a gel, basically. Oh, I'm running out. Right here. You don't need a lot. And if I'm looking down, I have a mirror right here, so that's why. And put that all over my face. Helps the makeup adhere better and not settle into fine lines and anything like that. Makes it last longer. Those are the pros of primers. And then you go ahead and let that sit for a good couple minutes, so I will be right back. Alright, next I will be going in with the Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer. This stuff is amazing. I live for this stuff. I have so many backup tubes. I'm obsessed. This stuff covers, like you can see, you see all the marks and redness on my face. Watch, just watch. It has a little nozzle like this and you squeeze it out. It's not like ones with the wands, it's just in the tube. So this is shade Scarlet. It's the lightest shade. I have been using Organza, which is the next shade up, but I'm a little more pale now. So I use this because I don't use my liquid foundation in the winter because again my skin gets really dry and I don't like how it looks with my dry skin, so I just use concealer where I need it. So I put a little under my eyes. A little of this stuff goes a long way. And I have lots of scarring on my chin, so I put it there. Scars on my cheek, down the nose, and a little bit on this cheek. Right? See this? Then I go in with my Real Technique sponge, I think this is. Works just as good as a beauty blender and it's like $6, so get you one of these instead.
Gang gang, I look like a baby.
He makes an entrance in all of my videos, I feel like.
I look like a baby.
Baby Roman.
He does look like a baby.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Alright, so as I was saying, I go in with this sponge and just blend it all out, so. Do you see the coverage? Do you see that? The coverage is insane. Like I said, I'm obsessed with this stuff, so. Yep, I've gone through so many of these. And I have really like a lot of redness on my cheeks, covers that right up. I'm gonna look really ghostly after this, but we will fix that. And this stuff doesn't really dry my skin out at all, like with my dry skin in the winter. You can't really tell. It looks really like natural, even though it's super full coverage. It doesn't like cake up or anything. Like, no redness, all done. I'm gonna be looking like a whole new person once I blend this all out, just wait. You know what really bothers me about beauty gurus? They do this and then leave the top of their eye without anything. And I think it looks so bad. And I don't really do eyeshadow that much, so I just put concealer over the top of my eye to cover up the discoloration. And it looks fine. Like, look at this difference. So brightening. Looks great. now that that's all blended out, I'm going to take the Behold Translucent Powder. The inside of this is kind of weird, and I wish it wasn't like this, to be honest. I might just cut out the netting, but there's netting on the inside. And it would be fine if you could just put it in the cap, but the cap has a thing to cover it up, like it's raised, so you can't really put it in there. So, make sure there's no creases first. I dip the other end of my sponge into the powder and just press it under my eye. I found that pressing it with the sponge works a lot better than like dusting it with a brush, just specifically for under the eye. It helps a lot with creasing. And then I will take a little brush. Don't even ask me what kind of brushes these are. They're Morphe brushes, but I got them in a set, so like, I don't know what they are. That's what it looks like. And I will make sure there's no creases. And set my eyelids. Just dip in here. And set eyes. Setting any cream or liquid makeup makes it so it lasts longer and that there's no creasage. And then I will take, I actually got this new brush, maybe I'll use it. Real Techniques Mini Expert Face Brush. I just got this. So maybe I'll use this to set the rest of my face. Alright, so I'll take this brush. It's real little and cute. I love mini things. And dunk it in. And just set over any other places that I put the concealer. This brush is soft. I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So I'm gonna use the Beachfront bronzer in shade Sunset. And I'll take one of these angled brushes from Morphe. Don't ask me which one it is because I don't know. And just swirl it in there, tap off the excess, and go right in to the hollows of my cheeks, which I don't really have hollows of my cheeks because my face is so fat, so I just pretend like I do. You just gotta comment on my YouTube video on my main channel. Go over there and watch it. I have a hair video up on here and the uncut version on my main channel. I'll put a little link up here and it'll also be linked down below my main channel, but go watch it. And then I will take a bigger brush like this to bronze my forehead to make it look a little bit smaller because it's a little large. So I'll take it right here. Bronzing your forehead and your cheeks gives you an illusion of like cut cheekbones, smaller forehead, and I usually bronze under here to get rid of my double chin. And down the neck a little bit. Make sure it's blended. And the lazy way to contour your nose is just to run bronzer down the sides of it, because that's what I do. Too lazy to actually try to contour my nose. And it looks too white, just like right there, so I just run a little bronzer over it. Alright, so now we have a bronzed face, and I look less white. So, I guess we'll go with eyebrows next, because I don't have any, clearly. So, I'm using the Moodstruck Brow Obsession palette. This is the blonde palette. This is what it looks like. It has a light powder, a dark powder, a pink cream product for under the brow bone, and a shimmery one for under the brow bone, and a brow wax. So I will go in with a spoolie, comb these brows because they're crazy. I will go in with this little angled brush and dip into the lighter powder right here. I usually use a brow pencil, especially now since like the ends of my eyebrows are non-existent, but I ran out, so I have to get more. And I start under the brow, just outlining it. If you're a beginner at brows, this palette is good because it's more forgiving. It's just powder. It's not like you're drawing it, you're kind of just running the powder through your brows. If you just want to give a little more definition and darkness to your brows, this works well for that. Try to add the end of my eyebrow on. Alright, that's one brow done, one not done. Alright, that's 2 brows done. We're going to go in with eyeliner. And I'm going to use the Moodstruck Precision Dip and Draw eyeliner in the shade Perfect, which is black. This is what it looks like. It's a little like felt tip, kind of, with liquid. Alright, I hope you guys can see me while I do this. I start on the corner and flick out. You don't always have to do a wing, obviously. You can just line the top of your lash line, but I do a wing because it makes my eyes, I don't know how to explain it, never mind. And this is just an outline. And I bring it to like the center of my lid and then fill in the wing. That's one. When you do the line out, you want to start on the inner or the outer corner of your eye. And when you're doing the line up, you kind of want to look like you're aiming for the end of your eyebrow. Watch. See how they could almost meet? Right. Boom. 2 wings. Done. Alright, next. Lashes. I don't wear fake lashes every single day. I rarely wear them at all. So my eyelashes are like naturally pretty long. But if you have short eyelashes, there is this serum that I use. It is the Moodstruck Esteem Lash Serum. This is what it looks like. And it has a little spoolie type thing on the end. And you just run this on the top of your lashes and sleep with it. And it makes your lashes thicker, longer, darker. This stuff actually works. My lashes have gotten longer. And I already have long lashes, so give that a try if you want. I'll have the link down below. But for mascara, I'm going in with the Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Black tube like this. This is what the wand looks like. I used to like really like fat wands, but I like this one a lot more, and it does a really, really good job at separating my lashes. So I like that. And I'm just gonna go in and do my lashes. Done. You never want to pump your mascara. Just kind of spin it in there a little bit, bring it back out. Pumping it dries it out faster and makes it clumpier. Top and bottom lashes done. Now the last step, well, second to last step, I'm going to set my face with the Behold setting spray. Give it a little shake. For your face. You can either press it in with like a sponge, a little one of these type situations. Sponge. I'm fanning it recently, so I fan it dry. Pretty much dry. And then I will go in with highlighter, duh. So I use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Eclipse highlighter. I'm obsessed with this. I'm already hitting pan a little bit right here. Makes me sad. Anyways, going with a Morphe fan brush. And we're gonna glow. So let's get to glowing, shall we? My lips are super dry, so I need to put something on them. I don't wear lipstick regularly, but I do use this constantly, the Hottie Lip Plumper. I'm obsessed with this stuff, literally obsessed. Makes your lips look so full, so shiny, so pretty. So yeah, that's my full face, everyday, regular, schmegular makeup that I do. Nothing too fancy, but my hair is a hot mess. Ooh. This is my normal everyday routine. So if you want to see any other looks, I'm up for it. Let me know what you want to see. Any requests, any ideas, beauty related ideas, I will do them. Just let me know what you want to see. Hit the subscribe button below. If you're watching this, I don't know why you wouldn't be subscribed, but hit the subscribe button below. Hit the thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. Ring the little bell to get notified every time I post a video. My main channel will be linked below if you want to see some more of like my everyday life and like crazy things I do, then that'll be in my main channel. This is just beauty related stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.